Morning. Oh, he's live and kicking already. Make sure I get the good view.
Ah. That's just ruined it now.
Morning.
How did you sleep in your first night camping, Kat?
No way.
What are we doing today?
Seriously?
What are we doing this entire weekend?
Why are you asking so many questions? I haven't had a cup of tea.
To check back in with you once we've had a cup of tea?
Yeah.
I'm going for a wee. Rob, can you... what's the time?
10:15.
10:15. And what are you drinking?
Rum and Coke.
I'm so jealous right now. Where are we going, Chewy?
No, we're there.
I don't even know.
It really is like...
There, and we're going to do all this.
Cool. I like it.
So in the distance over there you can see Drew going for his third shit of the day. So we're just going to come over here and push this little button and see the reaction later.
Today is now our first day here of waking up. We've had some breakfast and we're just getting ready to start going out on the bikes. We're gonna have a little mooch around. We've got Darren and Nathan turning up later. So tomorrow we're going to do the New Forest Loop, which is a ride around the New Forest apparently. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, so hopefully we'll get some good footage, show you what the New Forest is like. And yeah, get on the bikes. It's good to be back. Fuck up. Fuck up. The New Forest is well good. Global warming at its finest. How are you finding our first day in the New Forest? And we've already left.
A bit wet, isn't it?
It's a little bit. Fucking kill switching at petrol stations. You're an arsehole. First day at the New Forest. We've already left, gone to Bournemouth and Poole. I haven't been able to fly my drone anywhere yet. But yeah, they've gone for a little walk around the harbour. I'm chilling out. Bit flat, New Forest. There's not even any mountain passes. Oh shit. So you've had an issue then? Oh, Christ. Fuck. Where are you now then? Oh fuck, yeah, you're quite a way away. Alright, that's cool. Alright, cool. Alright, I'll catch you later. Bye. So this time, Darren's lost a battery pack to the road. So he hasn't packed correctly. First it was Nathan, twice it was Nathan, and now Darren. So... on the escort service. Is that what it is? Alright, Darren and Oh, here he comes.
But I've got to have my beer.
You got him, mate.
Close as I get to a rally for the last God knows how many years.
How you doing? You good?
Yeah.
How do you feel that you didn't have something come off your bike?
Well, I thought it would be me to be fair.
Yeah.
Hello.
That in a minute. This ain't going very well.
It's quite embarrassing for the footage.
I'm in a divot. I'm in a fucking divot, and the bike's going over the other way. Hold on, I've got to get a fucking leg in here, son. That's it. No. Where is it? There we go. Fuck off with your camera, mate. Listen, we get the tent out.
No. I put that whole tent up over there all on my own.
Do you really?
Right, so Harman has been kill switching my car all day, so now I'm going to cover his brake sensors. He's been killing my kill switch. He's been kill switching my bike all day, so now I'm going to cover his rear brake sensors. Rear brake sensors?
Reverse parking sensors. He's really struggling to talk.
Oh really? Is that because you're drunk?
So let's start again.
So Harman has been hitting the kill switch on my bike all day, and to get him back, he's gone to sleep. He's in asleep in his tent right now, and we are going to cover his rear sensors on his car with duct tape, hoping they're going to sell without him knowing. Doi. And we'll have to see if that works.